Hi everyone and welcome back. It's James. I ordered myself a GoPro Hero mic adapter for GoPro Hero 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's check it out. Yeah! Here is the microphone adapter. It says Pro 3.5mm mic adapter. Hero 8 black, Hero 7 black, Hero 6 black, Hero 5 black session. It is brand new. It costs 5,800 yen, which is about 53 US dollars. That's because I'm in Japan. I recently purchased a GoPro Hero 9 black, but I'm going to test it on my GoPro Hero 7 black. Compatible with 3.5mm mic and inline adapters. Lifetime warranty. Oh, here's the seal. Lifetime warranty. Two lifetime warranty sheets. They are identical in English, French, and Spanish. And here is the adapter. Finally, I ordered it. So this little device is what is going to produce beautiful audio from my GoPro Hero. This is a Type-C. It's pretty straightforward. So I plug this end. Let me get my GoPro Hero 7 black. This is my GoPro Hero 7 black. So I'm going to open the left door. I can remove this cover if I want to. This is my first time. I'm just pretending that I know what I'm doing. Okay, and I'm going to, there are no instructions, but I'm just looking at this diagram here on the box. So I'm going to plug this C. I'm going to plug this C cable into this bigger slot here. Fits perfectly. And and somehow I'm going to have to attach this to the housing and to my helmet. I mean, this portion, or I mean the adapter has to be snug on my helmet. Anyway, I'm going to test this out. Let's see, I have a couple of microphones here. I've got this one and I've got this one. Maybe I should test it outside. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll have to do a test riding my bike. Yeah, my motorbike. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to test this riding my motorbike or my bicycle and see the difference in sound. I have a 3.5mm microphone and this right angle adapter cable. It's plugged into this GoPro Hero adapter. Hopefully it sounds good. You're going to have to get yourself a 3.5mm microphone and plug it into a right angle adapter. And then plug the male end into the GoPro Hero adapter mic. and everything should be okay. Now to test it on my bike. Hi everyone. I've connected the 3.5mm microphone to the GoPro Hero adapter. Now I just got to figure out where I'm going to clip this. Okay, and it is recording. So let's see what it sounds like if I clip it on my shirt. Okay, hopefully the sound is good. Let's go to my bike. It is June 11th, 2021. It is partly cloudy, but it is very warm here in Kobe, Japan. I'm riding up to get some Starbucks coffee this morning. It is summer in Japan. I'm going to be comparing the sound with the microphone connected to the adapter and without it at different stages. It is currently 8:53 a.m. And this is my brand new Honda PCX 125cc. I did a review on this bike, so check it out. Damn, I'm at a light. Here we go. Not yet. Oh shit, I have to wait. Gotta wait for this guy. Oh, nice cool air. I lifted up my shield. It's getting hot. I can't wait to go home and check out the sound. I'm going to stop at this place. This is called Campus Square. Good timing. And there's a post office. Perfect. I'll just walk over with the microphone. Let's find a parking spot. How about right here? Looks good. Perfect. Clip it like that. Okay. Now I'm walking with the microphone. I'm walking with my adapter and heading to the post office. That's the Japanese post office right over there. I really hope the recording sounds fantastic. I've got the GoPro camera around my waist area, away from my mouth. Hopefully the sound from the mic sounds awesome from this distance. You see? This area is called Campus Square, north of Kobe. I'm not wearing a mic, as you can see. I guess it doesn't sound so bad right now, but when I start riding and the wind is against my face and the GoPro, it's going to muffle the sound. You'll see in a moment. Come on. Okay. There's a woman crossing. You have the right. Okay, so this is what it sounds like. Yeah. Well, this is what it sounds like when I ride. Feels good. I just checked out the footage. I just checked out my video, and I can just tell you that the sound quality was pretty good. I mean, I could hear myself, and it's worth getting this GoPro Hero 3.5mm adapter and a 3.5mm mic. It really improves the sound. I think I'll be using this more often when I ride my bike. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!